Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I make this amazing quick meal, please watch to the end of the video. Please help me view my post, like on my post, so that the algorithm will push this video for other people to see. Please guys, I beg you, it takes a lot to create. Talk more of editing takes like 2 hours for you to even get something perfect. It won't even be perfect, it will be semi-perfect. Please just help this small brand grow by doing these things I mentioned. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, today we're making a quick meal, very quick meal. This can serve as your breakfast inspo. It can serve as your light dinner. If you don't want to eat something heavy for dinner, this is your go-to. So this is diced potato, diced yam, and diced plantain, all fried. So I just finished peeling my potato, diced it for them to be of the same shape. Even if we don't get the exact shape, at least they should look similar. So I've added it to the hot oil. This is me cutting my yam and dicing it. After dicing it, you wash it, then you add salt to taste. You turn it so that everything, the salt will not just go to one part of the yam, it will reach everywhere. So this is me checking up on my potato. You allow the potato to fry well until it's golden brown. You see that color? Yeah, that color, it means that it's already crispy, because you need this thing to be crispy for you to get the perfect meal. So this is me adding my yam. You allow your yam fry. So I've already washed my plantain. I'm peeling it. After peeling it, I'll go ahead to dice my plantain. Remember, we are targeting one particular shape, so all of them should look similar, even if it's not the same shape. So after you dicing your plantain, you add salt to taste. This means checking on my yam. Now it's crispy and I like the color. Now you now bring it out from the hot oil. Now look at how my yam and potato is looking. Yeah, you can tell that it's crispy. So you now add your salt to your plantain for taste. Just turn it together, put it in the hot oil, and you just allow it to fry. I want this plantain to be golden brown. Okay, now I'm prepping for my egg sauce, because actually we are trying to make egg sauce, but not egg sauce separate, this one separate. No, all of them will marry each other here. So here is my ginger, my just small ginger and garlic, then an onion. I blended all to a smooth paste. I've brought out my okay, after blending to a smooth paste, I have to blend my tomato. I blended my pepper mix, which is my tatashin. But please, if you have chopper, my chopper spoiled, so that's why I use blender. But the best to use for this recipe is dice. If it's dice, it will come out well and perfect, just like egg sauce. So after bringing out my plantain, I now went ahead with my oil, added my onion and my blended garlic and ginger and onion mix. After adding it to fry for a while, then you're now going with your pepper mix, then fry. Then this is me adding my maggi, my curry, and my spice. Just going with your favorite spice, any spice that you like, just going with it, and your sauce, and just fry. You fry this on medium heat so that this will not get burnt. Just allow it to fry very well, because we need it to be fried. So this is me adding my egg. So it's after this particular, I added extra 1 egg, because I noticed that the 3 egg will not be enough for this, based on my yam and my plantain and potato, they are big. So I now added extra egg to it. So this is me frying it, fry till when it's well fried. Then you now go in with your mixture, your potato, plantain, and the yam. Just stir everything together, let them marry each other, let them come to an agreement. This time your food is 99% ready. In fact, it's 100% ready. Now guys, look at it, see the way it's looking so sweet. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section. And to my returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you. God bless you. And if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment and like, and share my videos. And God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thank you. See you in my next video.